G'day traders. Today we're going to talk about the importance of your daily trading routine. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of the daily trading routine. So you've heard me talk about this in several videos. You know that on my homepage we've got the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. I'm a huge believer in daily routine, and I believe that all of us already have a routine, a daily routine. Whether or not you think you do or you don't, you have some sort of routine in place. The question is it producing the results that you want in your trading or in your everyday life? And if you're not happy with the results that you're currently getting, look back at what you're doing all day long, every single day, day after day, and that's your daily routine. So if you want to change things and get different results, go back and look at your daily routine. So today we're going to talk about basic trading routine. This is sort of my daily routine, the importance of what that is to me, and perhaps some of the value that you might get yourself in applying some of these to your own daily routine. Number one, I'm really big on getting rest, nutrition, and exercise. As you've heard me talk about, I come from an athletic background. A big part of my life was sport, ice hockey, gridiron, or American football, and triathlon. And sport has always been a huge part of my life. I still work out on a daily basis. I like to get at least 45 minutes to an hour of just body weight, and I work out in a little 7x7 area every single day, and often I'll either ride, run, or swim. But that's what I like to do. But it's critical for me to I do it in the morning, I get it out of the way, I pop my headphones on, and I've always review my vision statement in the morning, and I do mindset training. So I've always got a podcast, or I'll have a video audio file that I'll listen to. I like to listen to great traders like Peter Brant, Brent Penfold, or I'll read articles from other traders' sites. I like to get into the heads of these other traders who have been through years of experience of the ups and downs and the trials and tribulations, and I like to orient myself psychologically on staying on track with executing my trading plan as flawlessly as possible. And then I review my trading playbook. So if you haven't built your playbook, continue to do that. That's the playbook of screenshots and notes of your best trades and your best trade setups, that you're building a booklet of like Peter Brant calls it, the best dressed list. So you want to look for those ideal asymmetrical risk reward opportunities. So I do all that in the first hour and a half of the morning, depending on what day it is. Sometimes now that we're getting into summer, I'll head down to the beach, do a workout down on the beach, take the dogs, have a swim, but I've still got my headphones on and I'm ready to rock. So when I get back, I'll review again. Usually on the weekend now, I review my monthly and weekly chart setups, and I'll narrow that down to whatever pairs are showing the best opportunities. And then each day I'll review my daily chart setups for the certain types of setups that I look for, and then again my significant support and resistance levels. So I'll look to see if any rectangular patterns have been broken out of, or if there's any trend trades in place. Whatever my playbook calls for or my trading plan calls for, I'll just review those markets again. So I review all the major pairs, all the pound crosses, the euro crosses, the yens, the Aussie dollar, all the different crosses, about 25, 26 pairs. I also run a scan on Metastock where I've programmed in certain other types of setups just to make sure that I don't miss anything. Again, I'm not looking to take all kinds of trades, but I'm just looking for trigger bars that I can go back, and if it shows up on the scan, go and review that chart again to see if it has in fact ticked the boxes on my trading plan. The next step is that if I have a trade signal present and I need to place an order, a limit order in the market, I will do that with my stop in place. And that rollover time for me is 5 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 a.m. in Perth. But I'll again place those orders. So in some cases I will go in at market depending on the type of trade setup, but often if it's a big breakout clearing the range and I need to position myself into a strong breakout, I will take a position anywhere. I'll just make sure I manage my risk accordingly. I place my stop into the market. If I have any open existing trades, I will look to see if there's a reason for me to manage or change that stop loss, or if I've been stopped out of a trade. And then I will shut down my trading platform. That's it. That's done. I go on and enjoy the rest of my day. Now, initially this was challenging for me to not look and check these trades during the day. And I've talked about this in other videos. Do not get sucked into that trap. If your trading plan is end of day and it calls for you to be checking the markets at after 5 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time, do not look in between, because you'll be manipulated in terms of what's happening intraday, and oftentimes the price action can be all over the place before if the institutional money or the smart money is building positions, that market may be moving up and down all day before it moves in the direction of your trade. So it's imperative that if you're trading end of day or 5 p.m. New York, stay off the screen, put your orders in place, and like Brent Penfold says in his particular, some of his trade setups, once his stop's in place, until it hits his target, his profit target, or he has another reason to move that stop, he doesn't touch that position. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Just a quick recap. The importance of your daily routine is to ritualize your habits and get you into the mindset of flawlessly executing your trading plan, especially if you're swing trading. Going through, making sure you're well rested, nutrition, exercise, look after your health, get your head orientated right, work on your vision, your mindset, and review your playbook each day. Then review your market setups. Each day look at your significant support and resistance levels, or whatever trading methods you're using. Set and forget your orders, place them into the market, manage any existing trades, and then get on and enjoy your day. To me, trading is about lifestyle. So, you know, I talk about this all the time. I tell you, trade smart, get better at it. Trade bigger and live the dream. And the dream is whatever you want it to be. But the opportunities in the markets are scalable and unlimited. So the sky's the limit, but you need to master your skill set. Hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.